Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get glowing skin naturally in a week. If you are interested, continue watching. Let's start. Tips to follow every day. Try to follow these tips every single day. Find your skin type first before doing your skincare. Choose a gentle cleanser for washing your face. I would suggest Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Make sure you wash your face for at least 45 to 50 seconds to remove all dirt from your face. Apply raw milk for 5 to 10 minutes for really soft skin. This is amazing. Must try this tip. You will see the difference. Apply rice water daily for skin brightening. You can make rice water on your own and can apply as a toner, or you can wash it after 30 minutes. Rub ice cubes on your face and neck every morning or do face icing. It has lots of benefits of face icing. Give massage to your face daily with gua sha or jade roller. You can use it with facial oil, moisturizer, or serum. It's your choice. Moisturize your skin. If you have tiny bumps on your forehead, apply aloe vera gel with 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Apply and leave overnight, then wash off in the morning. Moisturize your skin every day with your favorite moisturizer. Make sure to apply moisturizer to your neck area. I have already mentioned wearing sunscreen every day in my videos, so don't forget to apply sunscreen. This is a key to getting clear and glowing skin as it has so many benefits. Investing in good sunscreen will change your skin. Sleep on clean and silk pillowcase. Wash your pillowcase twice a week to avoid dirt. It's very helpful for getting clear skin. Get clear and glowing skin by massaging your ears. It's a very simple and easy exercise to get clear skin as it's great to indirectly boost blood flow in the cheek area. Do it every day for 10 minutes. Apply Vaseline to the dry area of your skin before going to bed. Keep your lips hydrated and moisturized by applying Vaseline every single day. Now tips to follow for once or twice a week. Try this amazing rice face mask. To achieve glowing skin, you can apply this mask once or twice a week. It's very simple to make and use this rice face mask. Make your schedule and follow these tips. Limit exfoliation to once or twice a week with your favorite scrub. It's very important to remove dead skin cells from your face. You must try this cucumber rice mask. I have already tried, and it's an amazing mask to hydrate skin. It is very easy to make and apply. Try something new every day for better skin. Apply lip mask to exfoliate your lips. Do it once a week for soft and plump lips and moisturize with lip balm. Treat yourself to a sheet mask for at least once a week and relax. The more you hydrate your skin, the more glowing your skin will be. Give yourself an instant wake up with an eye serum mask. If you don't have an eye mask, you can use 2 green tea bags that will give you a refreshed feeling. Clean your beauty blenders, facial devices, and makeup brushes to keep your skin to stay away from dirt. Follow these tips to achieve clear and glowing skin. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.